Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to build a pergola. Building this one on top of this patio. Removed the paver and got my post holes dug, set, and filled with concrete. Now I'm going to get the beginning marks for my pergola framing, using one of the 1x4 boards to make my level longer so I can get a mark on both posts that are level from one side to the other. A little bit of a workaround with this roof here. Hopefully you don't have that same issue. Alright, and I've got my first board up. I've got that screw to give me something to prop up the other side while I screw in the other one. And I've just got this 2x6s and I'm putting one on each side and at my level line. Now I'm going to take the 1x4 board again, use it to make my level long, and get a mark on the other side of this post. Here I'm setting a screw that's just going to give me something to rest my 2x6 on. Alright, now that I've got those up, I'm going to drill a hole all the way through and get some carriage bolts in. These are 1/2 inch carriage bolts, 7 inches long. Always nice to have a drill to get these nuts on fast. Alright, now I'm going to measure down where the next 2x6 is going to go, going the other direction. And I'm going to do a little bit of a dog leg on these posts so that it gives something to help hold the post sitting up vertical. So basically I'm doing a 1.5 inch notch on the side. And also cutting it down so that it's only 5.5 inches tall so that it doesn't poke up past my next board. Time to finish the dog leg. Alright, now to cut my fancy curvy end on my 2x6. So I'd kind of establish where it's going to start and end. And I leave an inch for it to have a little inch overhang before the curve starts. And an inch at the end where it'll be flat again. And then I try to find something round to help guide the curve a little bit. Sometimes some saw blades can be helpful. And I just kind of curve it one way and then back the other. I guess there's all kinds of designs you could do, but this is what I did. And of course it takes a little bit of playing around with until you get a curve that looks good. As you can see, I had the other side for some tests. This side I'm happy with, so I'm going to cut it. Once I finish this off with my jigsaw, I'll be able to use this one as a template for all of the rest of them. Got that sitting on top now. Let me show you where the dog leg is in effect. And I was able to screw it right to that, and that's going to help keep it standing upright. Now I can finish off with the rest of the framing here. And finishing off more 2x6s, I'm putting these 16 on center. So from the right edge of one is 16 inches over to the left of the next one. Now I'm just going to do a little toenail screw on all of the sides of these to give it a little bit more support. And there we go. We got all of these on. I've also placed some 1x4 boards on the top to give it a little bit of extra design, shade, and shape. Got my pavers patched back in. These 1x4 boards are also 16 inches on center, and just screwed those down on top. Nice fancy shape and looking good. Curves on the end looking nice. And we have a pergola. That's how I do it, and that's how you can do it. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and check out my channel for other cool videos about how to do other cool things. Be blessed.